What's going on, everybody? I hope you guys are having a great day. We are at the track today because just thought I'd go and see how the car does, and you know, there's a testing tune, so why not? I am going to be doing some data logging for MPT just to make sure the car is dialed in, but yeah, let's see how she runs. All right, I'm sorry I don't have footage because I messed up the camera, but first run we have a 12.95 at 111. So I mean, that's better. What is that, 0.3 in the quarter mile? So not terrible. We'll see if we can dial in a little bit better. Again, we're going to data log all this, send it to MPT, and see what they can do for us. But so far, 12.9, excellent. Okay, second run was 13.1. So not great. Places to, you know, there's definitely room of improvement. I don't know if the air is just different down here versus up north, which, you know, I'm sure it is, but I didn't think it mattered that much. Also, there are not a lot of people racing, so it's really just me. I don't think you guys really just want to see that. I wish I had brought my Insta360 camera so I can at least just capture that, but I don't have that either. So we're just kind of giving you time slips here. I'm sorry. Okay, so we're gonna kind of give you a POV kind of style of runs at this point because I want to give you guys some sort of content. So we're also gonna do a 0 to 60 run here, and let's see how it runs. Oh. There's two. Yeah, shift feels hard from 3 to 4. 0 to 60, 4.4. We picked up a 10th. Excellent. I'm sure there's room to improve. I feel like there is. All right, 12.84. That's kind of where I thought this car was going to be. So I think the difference really was just, I think the burnout was better. I let the car cool off a little bit longer. I think that was kind of really it. So maybe if I just do a better burnout, maybe I'll launch from like 13 or 1500 RPMs, and then maybe that'll be a little bit better. But overall, yeah, not too bad at all. Okay, with the 12.8, we are now on par with a 2014 GT, an 07 GT 500, 2017 GT, and a 14 Camaro SS. These numbers are all Googleable. And again, I think there's still room to improve. So, you know, I mean, the car can hang with the big leagues. Can hang with the V8s, no problem, for sure. I do think with better tires and, well, of course, better suspension, you know, I think that could probably shave another 0.2 seconds, maybe. So, you know, that's running 12.6, which is, for a V6, not too bad. Yeah, so I figured as much. He was not that much quicker, 0.05, and like that wasn't even the best run. Granted, I don't know what his best run is, so again, yeah, see, his reaction time was just double mine. So I think I don't know, it's so random. It's such a big fluctuation this time. I don't know why, but that's all right. Like I said, he got the jump on me, but he wasn't that much faster, so there you go. All right, my buddy's here. We're gonna deflate the tires and see if it gets any better because I'm curious. We're running at 29, so now we're gonna go down to like 25. So I don't know, we'll see what happens. All right, we're gonna run this guy. We're gonna get smoked. Absolutely, but that's okay. We'll see what happens. Just got the jump. I don't think he was fully ready because somehow it went to full tree, but whatever, we'll take it. Dropped another 0 to 60, 4.4, so that's consistent. We'll do a launch. It's shifting too late. Yeah, bro was moving. Like, I knew he was gonna catch up. Like, there was no way. Let's go check out the time slip. So I ran those back to back, and I got 12.88, trapped at 107, and then the next run I hit 12.84 at 108. So I'm not sure where my mile an hour is going. I do think the shifts are a little off. So I'll talk to MPT about that, but I mean, 12.8 is kind of where we wanted to, or not where I wanted to be. Obviously, I would love to be lower, but it is where I expected it to be. So overall, I'm happy with tonight's runs. I think better tires, obviously better suspension would be good. We'll get the data logs to MPT, see if anything's wrong with it, or to try and maybe fix those shifts. They're a little, I think they're late and they're rough. So I'll talk to them, but yeah, other than that, I think that's it. So until next time, we'll catch you in later. Deuces.